Hello everyone. So mayroon na pong multi-purpose loan light sa GSIS. So kung mayroon pa kayong need pay, so pwede ba kayo maka-avail ng loan na ito? So ang loan term ay 24 months, 18 months, 12 months, at 6 months. So for example, mayroon pa kayong need pay o mayroon pa kayong need pay ng 6,000. So, maka-avail kayo up to 20,000. And then, kung a-avail kayo, so mayroong purpose loan of availment. So, click mo lang kung saan o kung ano. So, example, family support. Then, check that I have read and I confirm. Then, after that, submit the loan application.